Yeah, hey everyone. So for today's topic, I wanted to talk about monitoring your JVM, and that's going to be through JMX monitoring. Think about in a production environment, you want to monitor some sort of statistics like JVM CPU, JVM memory, number of threads being used, whatever you need for your use case so you can ensure that your Boomi application is stable and properly scaled. So with that said, we're going to use JMX monitoring for that. And we'll kind of talk about what it is, why it's used, and then we'll go over an example of setting it up with JVisual VM, which comes with any prepackaged JDK. So with that said, what is it and why do we need it? So the runtime JVM is going to expose data via JMX. So JMX stands for Java Management Extensions. Obviously, if you have multiple nodes, you're going to want to monitor each node individually. You're not going to monitor something like the head node. You're going to want to make sure that all of the nodes have similar CPU, memory utilization, and items of that sort. So essentially what JMX does is it provides the tools so you can manage your resources dynamically. So by dynamically, I mean at any specific point in time, you can monitor the state of the application. So you can monitor any node, or if it's just an atom, items of that sort, depending on the different processes running or whatever's going on at that point in time. So JMX resources, so I'm considering a resource here, the Boomi runtime. They're going to be represented by something called a managed bean, so an M bean. I mean, this is getting into more technical aspects of JMX. You may not really need to know that. I just kind of want to provide the more technical overview of how JMX works. So that M bean resource, so the Boomi application, needs to be registered to an M bean server, which manages all of your M bean resources. So with that said, as we talked about, JMX monitoring is definitely beneficial. So you can identify any sort of patterns, trends going on with your application. So let's say your CPU or your memory spikes at 4 p.m. every day. You can look at that, analyze your processing patterns. Maybe you need to decouple a process. Maybe there's a specific process that just jacks up memory and CPU that you need to address. Items of that sort. And also from there, you can see like average memory and CPU use, so you can scale up or scale down, pending new deployments and items of that sort. So that's what I wanted to cover today. And then the next topic will be an actual hands-on exercise, getting into more actually setting it up and reviewing what is available to it. All right, sounds good, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.